Hi friends, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of a home page on the application of Pinterest. You will go to settings. In this page, you will go to apps, default apps, app settings. In this list, you will go down until you find this window of Pinterest, and you will click here. Then in this page of app info, you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Then we click on clear cache, but pay attention, don't click clear data because that can delete your account. Here we go to Play Store. You will search about the application of Pinterest and you can update your app, so please don't forget